Hey guys, Catherine here. If you just got your SuperStraps in the mail, this video is all about how you install them, activate, deactivate, and optimize your wear. Let's talk through some details. You're going to find the SuperStraps logo is on the top of your SuperStrap. You're also going to find a handy little right and left sign so that you know which is right and left. The way I always remember it is that the zippers face each other on the inside of your chest. Now let's grab our backpacks. You can install SuperStraps with your backpack on your body or with it just on a table. You pick. We start out by removing our bands. You just unvelcro. That's all you do. Now that our bands are off, we're gonna make sure that we've got the right strap for our strap. So left goes on left, and you're just gonna slide it underneath your strap just about anywhere. The next step is to loosely weave your Velcro back through the clip in order to secure your backpack strap. At this point, we do not want to Velcro because we're about to adjust, and we want to make sure SuperStrap can move up and down our backpack strap. We're going to repeat it with our right side. And now it comes time for the fun part, finding the sweet spot. Your SuperStraps are like a pair of really good shoes. When you break them in, they conform to your body in this amazing way. With all of our testing and with all of our team using SuperStraps, we found it took anywhere from 2 to 7 days for SuperStraps to really become yours. The sweet spot is different for everybody. It's also different depending on the backpack you wear, how much weight is in your pack, even what clothes you're wearing. It can change based on you, and with your SuperStraps, you want to love the hunt for that sweet spot because when it's right, it is so right. So the first thing you want to do is start with one side, and you want to start moving the product up and down your strap, starting at the very top of your shoulders, but then again, adjusting for comfort. Once you find the spot that feels just right, then you want to Velcro. When you go to Velcro, you don't have to make it super tight. Just enough to hold is great. So now that this side is done, I'm gonna leave it here and we're gonna adjust our right. One thing that's interesting about adjusting SuperStraps is that your right and left sides will actually be different. Depending on which arm is dominant and how dominant it is, you might find that on one side of your body, actually right there feels great, it's much higher up than the other side, and that's a-okay. We're all a little bit different and none of us are totally symmetrical. So this is where it feels great for me. After we've installed, now it's all about the activation. So here's the deal with SuperStraps. When we first throw our backpacks on in the morning or whenever we're getting up to go, they often don't feel very heavy. But over the course of minutes or hours, it starts to really ache and sore your neck, shoulders, back. There's actually also consequences on your hips and knees. So when you start to feel that ache, when your bag starts to feel so heavy, it's time to activate. It's as simple as can be. You simply zip to activate. The arc is doing wonders for you. It's moving the weight in your backpack closer to your spine where you can carry it ergonomically. And it's also allowing your posture to reclaim its upright, proper position instead of using your neck and your head to counterbalance the heavy weight in your bag. When you're ready to deactivate your SuperStraps because you're ready to take them off or you're ready for something new, you guessed it, you just zip back up to deactivate the arc. So we've covered installation, activation, and deactivation. Now it's time for optimization. My backpack straps are wider than the average 2 inches, as you can see here. Let's first work on how we can extend our bands so that they fit wider and thicker straps even better. With your bands unvelcroed, you'll want to remove the arc pillows. Give her a little squeak if you want. And you'll see below that your bands can extend. All you have to do is remove your bands from their pegs and you'll slide it over so that instead of being on 2 pegs, your bands are now on 1. You'll simply replace the pillow and go through the same install setup. You may have heard there was a little pop when these came on. That's a good sign that you put them on tightly enough. So that's it for this video. But first, before you go, thank you for your incredible support. And just so you know, we are here to support you every step of the way and totally have your back. Stay in touch with us. Find us on the socials or hop on over to Hi, I Get Better Back. We're a tiny team. We're here for you and we love you. Thank you.